Testing, 1, 2, 3, okay.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. It's a year and a half old.
Really? Oh,
yes,
wow.
it's brand new.
Wow.
Brand spanking. 1, 2, 3. Can I turn these monitors in a little bit? Thank you.
Like so. What about the outside ones? You want to turn them in a little too?
Sure, why not? Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Should be fixed now.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12.
Okay, you're doing too much.
No, that's in my act. Pretendo ser tu dueño, no soy nada, yo no tengo vanidad. De mi vida doy lo bueno, no tan pobre y otra cosa puedo dar. Pasarán más de 1000 años, muchos más, y no sé si tengo amor en la eternidad, pero hay tal como aquí y no puede haber sabor a mí. Gracias.
Now in English. Let's go. A translation.
Got chips in my teeth. Got chips in my teeth. Got chips in my teeth.
Say what?
Okay. What if I did my stand-up like this the whole time?
I dare you.
Unite.
I dare you to.
Oh my god, right? Like,
We got a tornado warning.
yeah. So I had my very first tornado warning experience. I love that joke.
That was pretty fun.
It is. I need to floss my teeth. Jerome in house.
Say what?
Jerome in house. I said Jerome in house.
She said Jerome's in the house. Do you know that's Jerry Seinfeld's name?
Jerome?
Jerry's a nickname.
That's funny.
I think.
You heard it here first, folks.
Jerome Seinfeld.
Interesting. I feel like it. Oh no, it's just covering it. I think it does have like. All right, and tonight she's here for you. Actress, author, comedian, Anjelah Johnson-Reyes. Lubbock, Texas, how you feeling? Yeah! Boo, 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 boo! Show, show, show! Funny, funny, funny! Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4! Testing! Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4! I'm gonna walk all the way over here. I'm gonna talk to these people over here. Testing.
Sign those things.
Oh, yeah.
You got credentials or something like that? Ashley Gilbert, you want this note on the front? Yeah. with the two shows going?
Yeah.
Oh, this is me. I think this is
Verifying now.
Come on, son. Ponzo, hurry up. Come on. I ain't got no days, man. Man, real quick. Oh, please.
Matt, you good for a big drink?